Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's mobile and I'm starting a new playlist. In here, this playlist, we will just learn the basics of iPhone. I'll just tell you and make videos about that how you do things, basic things in an iPhone. Like if you're a new user of iPhone, so how you have to do those things. Okay. So starting from the basic, we all know about Siri, right? How to set up that Siri option, Hey Siri option in iPhone. We are going to cover that thing today. So now what you have to do is, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then you have to go and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notifications of my upcoming videos also. Now let's jump into video, and for that you have to just open your phone and then you have to just tap on your settings. So here on settings option, I'm just tapping here, and now here in the search bar I can search also, and I can just find from here also. So I'm just searching here Siri. Now we will just go here and we will tap on this option, right? Siri and search option. Now here you don't have to scroll up, you have to just stay here in this screen, and there is an option of listen to Hey Siri. So you can see that this option is not enabled, this is turned off, so you have to turn on this option. Now here you will get this notification that Siri sends information like your voice input, contacts and location to Apple to process your request. So enable Siri. So if you want this, if you are okay with this, so you can tap on enable Siri. Now here you have options of voice 1, voice 2, voice 3, voice 4 and voice 5. So
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in settings.
There.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in settings. Hi.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you...
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in
It
settings.
will not make any difference. So I'm just selecting voice 2 and then I'm tapping on next. Then they're saying that set up Hey Siri. This helps recognize your voice when you say Hey Siri. So continue. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. How's the weather today? Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a time for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Here Hey Siri is ready to use, and you have to just tap on done. And here, for improving your Siri dictation, you can share your audio recordings also. I'm just not doing this right now. So here all of your options are now enabled, and you can press home for Siri is also enabled, so you can just press home, your two side buttons or your home button, so to get enabled to the like Siri, to get enabled Siri. And my phone is right now not connected with the Wi-Fi, so that's why it is not available. Thanks for watching. Do share and subscribe.